God's explanation regarding the phenomenon of methane discharge from the permanent frozen layer or permafrost and gas outbursts in Indonesia and various areas in the world. It has been found that methane is discharged from a cracked hole on the permanent frozen layer in the pole area and in the four corner area, the United States, but the cause could not be defined yet. When in the pole area emerges hotspots of methane that burst out a fire from the inner earth beneath the ice pole area. Truly, it is an unexpected, frightening phenomenon, for it is an abstruseness of natural disaster. And if it has already happened, then there should be an enormous cause, and that is one of the signs of doomsday. The cracking pole caused by the nuclear experiments in the pole area has become part of the thawing heat burst out of the black hole to the surface of the Earth. Thus we have ascertained the involvement of black hole. It is our answer unto NASA and the outer space researchers who are panicked due to the presence of such mystery. Thus black holes' behavior has reached the Arctic pole. The Earth is truly under the gnawing of black hole, which causes the gas outbursts emerge everywhere in this world. Thus there are mud and gas outbursts in Indonesia and other parts of the world. The Earth is already in an emergency condition. Follow that sequence and you will find that the cause of the discharge of methane from the permanent frozen layer or permafrost in the pole area is actually started by the nuclear experiments in pole area. However, the melting of the ice pole becomes more drastic when it is under the impact of thermal energy from the inner earth caused by black hole behavior. Truly, that is the cause of the occurrence of the melting and the shifting of ice pole and the shifting of magnetic pole. When the magnetic pole changes or reverses, surely the Earth will undergo the doomsday until the magnetic pole finds a new adjusted location of its changing rotation. And the adjustment is obtained when it finds a territory that radiates a strong magnetic distribution, as black hole has done such strengthening. As for black hole also discharges a thawing heat, thus the thermal energy spills out toward the surface of the Earth, and the outburst of gas accompanied by flame emerges from inside the Earth. The layer of the ice pole is melting not only due to global warming that causes the extreme weather, but it is also caused by the gases as the effect of the greenhouse, such as carbon dioxide and aerosol, which the amount is increasing in the atmosphere, added with the natural damage due to heavy pollution. So the thermal energy given by the sun to the earth after it is reflected back in the form of infrared by the Earth, could not penetrate beyond the atmosphere, thus causing global warming. However, we need to explain the other reason that also causes global warming and the melting of polar ice. That is because black hole has begun its intervention into this Earth, which strengthens the heat from the inner Earth. The trapping of the Earth's core by the melting heat attack of black hole influences the distribution of heat to the surface of this Earth and to the atmosphere. Thus the barren and tiredness is felt stronger in reducing the land fertility and causing forest fires, which often flare up and spread widely. Under the influence of expansion problem of the melting thermal energy from black hole into the belly of the Earth, it also contributes significantly to the process of the ice polar melting and the reversal of magnetic pole. For the hot iron fluid on the Earth's core flares up completely to form a vortex current of magnetic field on the surface of the Earth. Such is the way of the shifting of the Earth's magnetic pole. As for the reverse of magnetic pole, it happened if the structure of the atom of iron that exists on the layer of the Earth changes as small magnets that change direction. Thus the process succeeds in creating the current of magnetic field shifting. If the structure of the iron atom changes, thus generally the magnetic field of the Earth undergoes changing. Thus the Earth is in the process of magnetic polar reversal. Hence, the reversal of magnetic pole is a huge incident on the planet that is forced by convection in the iron core of the Earth. So is the role of black hole becomes dominant. And thus the change of fluid dynamics on the core of the Earth, that when it is observed, there is a dynamic movement of the Earth's core that starts to move to its reversal direction. And if the convection of the molecules movement on the fluid amongst gas and rate presence on the orifice, thus an effect of the pressure of the thermal energy explodes, creating a hollow on the layer of the belly of the Earth. And that is the cause of the existence of mega disaster of Lapindo mud outbursts in Sidoarjo. And it will keep gnawing the content of the Earth's belly, which then causes landslide and sinkhole. Thus actually the hot mud in Sidoarjo will stop if black hole releases its interaction from this Earth, and that will happen only when the anomaly of this Earth's magnetic field has also stopped, and the anomaly of the new magnetic field will lessen when the reversal of the magnetic pole has established on certain point. The isolated condition of Indonesian territory in the future is caused by the presence of magnetic pole that is processing in that area. Thus it is the sign that the shifting of the pole has found certain location to establish the position of the magnetic pole. The stability of magnetic pole on certain area will decrease calamities on this earth. Moreover, when the earth has already been spacious, it could revive itself, thus black hole will stop to devour the earth. The target could change since the magnetic field anomaly has gone. However, the territory of Indonesia is not habitable any longer. And this is my revelation to save the Indonesian people. Do not be panicked and furious. Just follow my guidance. Hopefully, many things could be saved. However, it would only be happen if human being is cooperative, to be sanctified. Because being aware of the presence of the doomsday process will cause them to panic. Although since 2012, many people have forecasted it. However, the true tidings regarding doomsday now really comes from God only. Methane discharge in the pole area and various places in the world poison the life of human and animal, and that causes mass annihilation of humans and animals throughout the world. Actually, this earth has already been in an emergency condition due to the methane discharge from the inner earth, and the pole area will continue melting. This condition will cause the rotation of this earth to be unstable, and the changing of the earth's rotation and gravitation will cause this earth to approach its doomsday. By the fact of the melting ice on the pole, do not think that doomsday is still a long time from now. The ice melting on the pole will be instigated more drastically if the nuclear war occurs. Do not use nuclear and the enmity. Supposedly, the global warming gets more extreme. There will not be any more frozen snow. Then the earth will have no more stabilizer barrier, and that will cause the doomsday to happen. Stop religious conflict. Stop bombing. Be in peace.